If your computer speed is not as good as it was, the first thing you need to do is restart your system. Let us understand why it is so. Your operating system allocates space in RAM for programs that you will run. Your RAM will fill up with time as more and more program opens, which will slow down your computer as your operating system start using swapping file. Swapping file means RAM, the size of RAM is limited, so for opening more and more program it has to take the file from the hard disk to the RAM and swap it back to the hard disk. So most of the time it will waste its time in doing swapping file between hard disk and RAM. Okay, this situation is mostly seen when user keep their machine running for a weeks, which will slow down the speed of your system. For this, what we can do, we just restart. Just click on start, then click on restart here. Okay, as seen in the screen. If you are not seeing this button, then what you can do, just type cmd in search bar and type there shutdown/r. It will restart your system within 10 to 20 seconds. Temporary files play a very important role in decreasing our system speed. When we run any program, it will create certain amount of temporary files while it is running in our system. So we need to delete them regularly. There is an application called disk cleaner which did it, means it will delete this temporary file for us. But there is a issue with this application, and that is it will not delete all the files. So what we can do, we manually delete these files. For this, just click on search bar, type run and then type temp. It will open a window and select all the files present in this temp folder and delete them. Just like temp file, there are prefetch file which are stored in hard disks when we open a program. Actually these are the supporting file which are necessary for opening any program. Okay, so we need to delete them because they have no use when a program opens. So for deleting these prefetch file, just click on search bar, then type run and there write prefetch. Okay, then it will open a new window and select all the files present in this window and delete them all. It will definitely increase the speed of your system.